na Ouch Palagi Show era VTFM. Ebito konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM e kamida gaikachi.
Yeah, to all the staff of Punjas and Vinod Patel listening in, tuning in this morning. A very warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Welcome to Bokatan Besinga and Anonda Ngonborotaki. Na Ouch Palagi Show na na Dorbo, se bebia Dorbo. Sama po takin demis.
Well, good morning to everybody. Thank you very much, Turong Tau Atu, for the encouragement of the speaker this morning. Likewise to everyone listening in the past. When they had their voice, it's take them back to 1919 something. To 2000 something. Yes, this voice.
It's never changed.
It's never changed.
It's never crooked. Remember people like. He's never.
I had it beside the coconut tree. He was talking slowly. I had it under the bridge. He was talking slowly. I had him talking to me.
Alright.
When we were in the bus, I was sitting in front and he is the back. So teman-teman yang rasa, mai.
Dorbinak.
Utinay Phoebe, all the way from Nemasmasi. From Celebu, Milpi, Milipi Sukunatambua, Serena Boditong, and Babes Bambul Tatunga Vitamai Phoebe, and Amatakabinanikua, Serena Moditong and Babes, and also
Say good morning to Master.
Master Skaja Sukunatambua, all the way from Korobuto in Nendi. Now it's from Mommy. Mommy Nandronga, good morning to you and the family. And not forgetting the one and only Melitamani, the professor.
We say yarabna to tavale lekima. Kima borong chumena koromeni tutu en mataka vinaka nikua. Giringir chumayan nontang borta kera mataka dindai. Bago ni bertanga biki men rabi tolili na muna bitokan na muna pangani borong bulmikin na mataka vinaka nikua. Ada plantation alon resort ada tumalolo. Marika angio ke na mata biokani yarabna ka turang night. Mel na dalebu bina boleh besar sama chumai. Ada Bokatan Besinga nikua.
Oh Ben Daniel. Tabalen to tongo ngoko na darubo ko ya basuka na wanga. Asapa kana ndaku.
Iyo.
Non Robin to muni bot kerendo na ngone alewa.
Right.
Ngai ko sare mo kapitan ngi ready darubo sapa ko eliso alewa. Nirto sangrita na the family they call the police. If they have one girl pass, they're going to marry.
Iyo.
So when they was there in the wolf from Namualu, they see each other. With the clothes. This is the first time for them to meet and the first time to start a family.
Oi.
They didn't see each other before.
Yeah, they just call.
Calling.
When the time they come to the wolf.
So who was in Honolulu, the girl or the boy?
The boy. The girl from Suba.
So the Suba girl go to Honolulu?
Yeah.
Oi.
So when they was looking for the girl, the family, they asked a friend, did you know we slept together here? But when I wake up in the morning around 3 o'clock, the girl missing. So they was there in the wolf. The police take them the girl back. You go back. Because the family is calling. Could stop you. Don't go past. So when they going back, they see each other. And the company, the captain, the captain look back like this. See, everybody going back. There's another one sitting and tie his knee together with his hand. Mendambe toka. Visuka toka nanduruna. Gaire da muretu menawanga.
Oi!
And pum, ribes. Zawiri nawanga lemungo. The spirit of harmony. Truce.
Sandina.
Back and pick. Boy,
so how did the captain know that the boy is staying back?
Maybe they had the story because
the people, everybody was looking. When the police there, what's wrong? And the captain, no, this boy was here. They love each other, but they take back the girl, and they coming back.
Okay, all right. Donatarungo,
come.
Why do the mothers always say to their daughters, "Don't marry that boy"? If the daughter is really, is falling in love with the boy. What's your opinion on that, Demis?
Sometimes, when they have when not yet complete the mission, especially the education.
Okay, right here.
Not yet. And another thing, if they have the category
5.
Category 5 lagi lamba. If they have a metiko nanonra condition, I want my daughter to marry a
policeman.
A rich guy.
a rich guy like that, eh?
Yeah.
I want
A jobbing guy.
a jobbing guy.
Yeah.
I want my daughter to marry rich fella.
Yeah.
But the daughter
Yeah.
herself wants to marry a choice one.
Yeah.
Pointing tak ngoko ya.
Yeah.
But in that way, some of the parents, I don't want you to marry there.
Yeah.
Because a family, I know their history.
Oh, yeah.
Something like that, eh?
All right,
will
all right.
happen
Yeah.
to us. But
Yeah.
occasion, I want my daughter to marry this one
Yeah.
in a traditional manner.
Okay.
Because sometimes the mother,
Yeah.
they feel like they don't want their daughter,
Yeah.
when they get married, to
Right.
go and suffer
Yeah.
with the guy.
Oh, okay.
But
all right.
like slowly,
Yeah.
if the daughter don't listen
Yeah.
and marry the guy slowly,
Okay.
we don't know what's behind on that guy.
Yeah.
Sometimes very good.
Yeah.
Eh?
Sometimes
Okay. Yeah.
some ladies don't rush.
Yeah.
Luka,
Yeah.
see,
Yeah.
ina.
Yeah.
Then go,
When you're in the village,
come.
they used to tell you, you get married. If you don't get married, everything, your farm and everything will destroy it.
Confiscated.
Yeah.
Because you just
Butako.
because you just start have a grog.
Yeah.
You take the money, you go and drink, come back
Right.
next week. And when a girl come,
Yeah.
everything is normalized.
Right. Okay.
Si sari makasuka,
Iya.
boleh benaka.
Kenapa lebih besar? Okay. Baka ba ke atapa numurai na buku ni bin rotaki na ngonongo.
A form of Israel.
Eh?
Kami senang ni salah rawa-rawa.
Iya.
Some of the us we take the girl because we are love.
Iya.
Because some they have a different condition.
Iya.
First of all, we have to come and look.
Okay.
Memelo rayo
Okay, na coach kento baka chito betale mga lilay.
Ngo.
Na iwale-wale ni bin rotaki demis. Talo tak mandabi ka na daw yado na ni ruaro sa plan mero bin rotaki. Please.
Alo binaka sini buli menakena kundi.
But
Yeah.
the experience.
Na outs pa lang i-show.
Yeah, because in the past
Yeah.
we have the TV. Daw tuir ng bati. Eran raba.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have
The
our
Batwiga the brothers.
the Mbati the brothers.
Yeah.
It's like they are like a fortress.
Yeah.
They guide us
Yeah.
in whenever we go. But one thing I've
Yeah.
in that position there is no phone.
Yeah.
There is a Mbati, the
Yeah.
brother,
Right.
the uncle,
Yeah.
the family,
The momo.
The momo.
Tata, manda.
the tata,
Tatalil, tatalilay.
and the women still married with someone.
Yeah.
We don't know how come they know each other
Yeah.
in the form of signal.
Right.
One eye,
Yeah.
lip signal.
Lip sync.
Lip sync lang sir. And in different form, eh?
Yeah.
Now we have that phone.
Yeah.
We just messaging. Come,
Yeah.
I want to meet you here.
Yeah.
Papa and mama gonna sleep and go.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Some people they don't know, but they do in a form of darkness.
Oi.
And nakatulong sa lang buto-buto, eh?
Right.
So that my parents, some of us we think
Yeah.
that's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if we listen
Yeah.
to our parents,
Right.
we will know what we're gonna bear.
Okay,
in
just
life.
we to chiku mantanga na wali ni bin rota ki please kere.
Iya.
To chiku mantanga bata ro na bin domoni ro sini kila dala sendonu.
Ah.
Rosa kilanga kiro sa bin domoni kiro sa bin kachi.
Iya.
Nangangan de sa chiku.
Right.
Iyo.
So they run.
Iyo.
They really don't care if the love is there.
Iyo.
Do you wanna marry me? Yes, I do. I like
Okay,
you.
what did the boy do?
Just ask.
Okay, when?
There's a different form of married in Winrotaki.
Iyo.
One,
Iyo.
you ask and the girl give permission.
Iyo.
Another thing is this. You invite the girl, just come home.
Oh, yes.
You invite the girl, come home.
Dole karma lolo.
Dari karabalo lombuna.
Iya.
Eh?
Iya.
When they go, the girl inside the room with the boy.
Iyo.
They don't know, hey, who's that? Someone in, don't I love sa chingur sa tangan ni Buti ko Junior.
Iyo.
Eh? So
And that
when
was
they
spread in the
Iyo,
village. Yeah.
It's spread in the village.
Yeah.
Rawele to Rawiloma.
Iya.
The father take the kamunanga
Yeah.
or the yangona
Right.
to the girl's family.
Iya.
Yes.
They don't know
Iya.
because
Baca ro ni kilo ba kami sa kilo boy.
sana
Sana
kita
kito ko.
Iyo, sana kita. Ele war ni wele.
Iya.
But they took the kamunanga and everything because as father in our family, if a girl reach our house,
Iya.
ya saut.
Iya.
Kento sa kata kento ka as a father or a mother, parents, eh?
Iya.
Satu na maram to sa hotel manimal.
Yeah.
Because girl is
Yeah.
like something, it's like a pearl.
Iya.
Kept
But the
na-
boys told the girl they're gonna eat bakalolo.
Iya. Sauti ko na mga lolo, sa tangan ko na tutok.
Sarap na matotoo. Iya.
So that's some form
Yeah.
of running away.
Iya.
Some, they just invited by a friend come,
Yeah.
they go, so they was there.
Iya.
Everybody gone.
Ah.
They leave them to there. Baka rumbi ngorau,
Iya.
kami tambi ni tunga,
Yeah.
baka it's like a planning, eh?
Iya.
Bicara meron tunga nga meron wel tunga kirin tak dilak.
Iya.
Iya.
Meron rin bakawati.
Ora na, bumikip na kada na italo laki-laki na matang diko. Okay. Betal-taro na matang diko, ah.
That's from my side of view, eh?
Siya, wala mo sa
I want to
na-
ask Tabale,
No, that's
how?
Iya.
That's good.
This same question.
Yeah.
How in your own opinion.
Iya.
Yeah, because when there's a love
Yeah.
inside between you two,
Yeah.
you want to express it more.
Yeah.
Once you tell the girl, I'll take you home.
Iya.
So same time, the girl too is in love.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you two is connecting
The
each other.
chemistry there.
Right.
If you two not connecting each other, sometimes you ask the girl, we go home.
Yeah.
Baby.
I take you, baby, please.
Yeah.
We married.
Ah.
We go home.
Baby.
So the Bluetooth is connected.
Yeah. If it's not connected,
Yeah.
the girl will say no. I have to
Mugabe.
go back for school. I have to go back for school. Some of the girls they
Yeah.
are in the university.
Yeah.
They're in FNU.
Yeah.
The parents paying a high rate of money for education.
Daw walang ka talaga or natutumin ako. Bisuka.
Hey, but the only thing is,
Yeah.
the
Kasi
tutu
ka
can
kina-
accept.
Yeah.
The tutu can accept.
Yeah.
But the grandmother is hardly accepted. One of my brother in the village.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One time he bring one girl.
Yeah.
He been rotake.
Yeah.
He bring one girl and he was looking after the mother.
But they were in love. They love
The
each other.
grandmother, yeah, the grandmother looking after this my
Oh,
brother.
okay. Baka
Eh?
meron on the pit.
So when he came in
Yeah.
and he told my brother,
Yeah.
okay, you two can sleep each other.
Uy.
I mean, can sleep together.
Yeah.
You two can sleep together. You girl, go into the room.
Iyo.
You boy, sleep here.
Kung ang
Oh,
kayo
binaka.
Kung ang kayo hindi na nga kinukot ko na ako tabale sela la.
Yeah.
Kung nang sala ko may wat kay tabale na. Nang sa ko ni bangko saba ni nito ko nang bungni ko meron lebi talo wat kay
Yeah.
ko nang lewa ko abang buket
Sinay papa.
Yeah.
Tinay papa.
Iya.
Sa duran saba ni nito ko okay sa ko may natutubi sa ko tamo nana.
Ama ka na ko.
Di sama na yang gona. Au tinisim-sim. Sa ko may natutubi saba ni nito ka natutubi ko. Enan ni tabale na. Awang kay bangko may natutubi po sonan au tinay mbumbu ni papa.
Yeah.
Ngonon raw tutubi na daw robo. Ni ahop di ko kon lay mo din na rumo meron lay bitalo kay tinay papa. Abang amen ko nonan ni. Iya vinaka lewa. Ko tamen na tutubi ko menon raw tutubi na daw robo. Raw mo din mani bali. Senimbera ko tabale may muri. Seti bedalati. Seti bedalati.
Ano bang ko tawale mo? Off ka daw.
Engke law ka ko na burong bala bala mikin law ko.
So that brother of mine,
Yeah.
the grandma told the girl, you sleep inside, you sleep outside. You sleep
Yeah.
in the sitting room.
Yeah.
While they were sleeping in the night,
Iya.
he want to cover the Dina Tambudangi on the blanket.
Yeah.
He want to cover the Tambudangi and want to step inside the room. Once he want to cover the Dina Tambudangi,
Yeah.
the grandmother said, Jacobe, eu sale so ti mai keri, put in the cover. So the grandmother give up. Give up because, you know why? He's doing the breakfast.
Iya.
She's doing the lunch.
Iya.
And the girl inside the room.
Iya, kay balen ko si ber na lubos, ko sa lab na indung.
Yeah, very lucky. Can come outside. So he said, you girl, go back to your house.
Iya.
Go back to your mother and father.
Iya.
This boy,
Iya.
I need to take care of this boy
Yeah.
so that he can a bit Buddha and you come back home.
Kobi nung tangane.
Ano mo ka Scooby?
Iya.
Kobe, tangane. Eu sali suboti mayena. Pinabalem Sarah.
Ayaw sar nga ya? Eh? Yo, pa pinakawala pa yung bumbunguri.
Yung bumbu ya. The bumbu.
Iya.
O ko panandrendre bakan tu mentau kila ko tu.
Bato ka sama ta na sali biokani.
Dina. Dina sara.
Sali biokani.
Saromiti ko orna ortorobo beti ngone alewa.
Iyo ko talonjira.
Talonjira ko.
Iya.
Sangka ila suta kiti ko bumbu.
Iya.
Ngone alewa mitabeuni.
Oi.
Seri klati ko bumbu ngone alewa meno na koro.
Oi.
Kino tarobo.
Oi.
Iyo.
Isa.
Sangka miti ko ngone alewa. Sangka tarungi dosar nang bumbu sangka sih.
Iya.
Sakinda betul ko na sistem.
Iya.
Atu trina ungkor no kufreni, ungkor no kufreni la kometa beuni. Ame mai tiku boleh ngai paling ko mengai uci kelis.
Iya.
Saya tahu na satu kuno bumbu. Isa, sa kun gile so kun leo sa lem sarna kai bina totok moti. Sesama ki buke sarbale bu.
Iya.
Tiku man tapi dalam dalam matawa.
Iya.
Sa uciara tukun sarang bumbu. Kobe. La ko man tele ko temi sonon tombuka.
Iya.
Nangole ngoko bela ko temi nabuka ngai chublet tele ka ko leo. Ngai tarom bumbu. Ngono ni pe. Weu nang ngonele ni kat. Terus ada ni koro. Iya, ni koro, nang koro sarang bumbu. Ode na tinam. Merci. Oi keri. Oi keri. Kobe. Ada semua kobe. Oi ko matu ko na biuni ngolan tebe uni ko na ngonele ngamen nang koro. Ko na lebih merci.
O pa tadi nei tiko bei ko kobe.
Iya. Kadine tu bi kobe, bisa lati. Kata belum tak, tu kun sedang ngabi kobe. Ronga sarabi nak ngone leo. Oi ko mana suka bi tata kei nana. O kobe misan te umande kamera di busu bina kame buta mo ngele stale mai.
Sakali. Bina ko kibro kanta non di taloya na matang di kuha libro kanta buli de kina. Nantang ono tunga ni ouch palang isu. Ronga like hat bata kana share. Bata bur matang di matang. Maro chukran bula sabat chukman salika kambura kingo na VTFM. Go kurmundu.
Turun tani go.
Gonde miss.